Today's mantra, japa, is Om Mani Padme Hum. This is a powerful Tibetan mantra that embodies compassion and helps to purify the mind. Let's begin. So just gently closing your eyes, taking a nice comfortable seat on the floor, on a chair, on your bed, just setting up with a straight spine. Let's take a deep breath in together. And ever so gently, let it go. Take a moment to set an intention for this practice. And let's begin. Om Mani Padme Hum. 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 Mani Padme Hum. Om 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 Mani Padme Hum. Staying really present with the outcome of your mantra practice. Directing your internal gaze to that space between your eyebrow center. Now inviting a deeper breath into your body and taking a stretch whatever way feels good and right for your body right now. Maybe a yawn or a sigh if that feels good. And then we'll take our hands together at the heart, Anjali Mudra, to close. We'll take a deep breath in as we lengthen from the tailbone to the crown of the head. And as we exhale, we bow to close. Namaste.